Okay, the other time I mentioned that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple is highly concentrated in fiber and antioxidants, helps to lower LDL. I mentioned that in my past post, okay? Today, we are going to make apple smoothies. Yes, apple smoothies. If you have smoothie machine like mine, India is very good for making apple smoothies. Okay, so for making apple smoothies, you can put any color of apple you want. And there is one thing I want to tell us, please. Whenever you are buying an apple or apples, make sure it is in a place that is cool, that has a shade, maybe supermarket or in a market that doesn't have too much sun striking on the apples, so that the nutrients will not be drained out. Okay, yeah. So for my apple smoothies, I don't use milk, but if you use milk, it's fine. If you're a lover of yogurt, it's good. You can add all these things, but remember that most of this dairy food adds weight on us, so we minimize according to age anyway. Yes. So I use banana, I use carrots, then pineapples, then cinnamon. This is cinnamon. I put cinnamon in almost everything. If you're making for children, you can put a flavor. You get it. This is vanilla essence. This is vanilla. You drop just some peach so that it will have that kind of fragrance that attracts children to drink or eat. Okay, yeah, that is it. So this is cinnamon. After making your smoothie, this is already made. We've crushed here right now. So look at it here. If you want, you can add with your small spoon. If you like cinnamon, you can add half. This is cinnamon. Yeah, you can add it when you are blending. I never added it when I was blending because I want you to see the cinnamon powder. Then you add some little piece drops of lemon. Wow. When you take this, you get it. It helps in hunger spike. You will realize you will not feel all that hungry for the day. You get it. Yes. So this is very, very, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Try it on. Then you send me comment. Let me see whether you enjoyed yours after doing it. So that is my smoothie. If you want to crush it, if you don't like it the way me I have made mine, because I always love that kind of sharp taste in it, then you can blend more. You can crush the particles the more. Okay. And also through this we can get juice. Maybe we do the juicing next time. Thank you for joining me. That, like I always say, God bless you so much. Live a good health, a healthy life, because I want to keep speaking to you being alive. Okay, it's only the living that you can easily always transmit to. Remain blessed. We will meet again. Thank you so much.